Hello foodies, my today's urad dal recipe is authentic Gujarati sweet dish adadiya. Believe me, this recipe is so aromatic, so healthy, so yummy that you must try it once. First of all, cut the Chennai Express urad dal packet, remove 250 grams dal from it and get it ground from the flour meal. Now heat ghee and milk in a pan and pour it over the flour. Mix it nicely till it becomes like a breadcrumb. By pressing, gather the flour at one place and keep it covered for 1 hour. After 1 hour, break the lumps and sieve it through the big hole strainer. Now heat the ghee in a pan. First fry the edible gum in batches until crisp. Now in the same ghee, fry the processed flour until golden brown in color. Then comes in nuts, fry for few seconds, then add the brown mawa. Switch off the flame. Keep stirring it for 2-3 minutes and keep it aside. Take another pan, make sugar syrup of 1 string. Then mix both the dal mix and syrup together and keep stirring for 5 to 7 minutes until you can see ghee on the edges and mixture becomes lumpy. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes, then set it in the tray to make square barfi or make laddus or shape it like me, which is authentic shape of adadiya. Enjoy winters with this healthy